Hello students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Here I, Upendra Kumar Sinha, and in this session I will explain about the number system. First of all, in number system, we will talk about the digits. As you know, there are 10 digits in mathematics, and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 digits, and we make the numbers by using these digits, a small number or a big number, large number, by repeating the digits or using the separate digits. Now the next term is natural number. Natural numbers. As you know, all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. All counting numbers are known as natural number in simply. गिनती की संख्याओं को हम लोग नेचुरल नंबर कहते हैं. And the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The smallest natural number is, as you know, 1. 1 is known as smallest natural number. And the largest natural number does not exist. Smallest natural number 1, largest natural number does not exist. Here a question arises. Why there is no existence of largest natural number? You can say every natural number has its own successor number. प्रत्येक नेचुरल नंबर का अपना सक्सेसर नंबर होता है. आप इसको बता सकते हो. जैसे सपोज करो कि कोई कहता है कि 10 इज द लार्जेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर, देन द सक्सेसर ऑफ 10 इज 11. सो 11 इज द नेक्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर ऑफ 10. सपोज एनीवन से 999 is the largest natural number, then you can say no sir, 1000 is more than 999, so 999 is not the largest natural number. So you must remember every natural number has its own successor number, therefore there is no existence of largest natural number. Then the next topic is whole number. Whole numbers. So whole numbers, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers, all counting numbers together with 0. All counting numbers together with 0 are known as whole numbers. जितने भी काउंटिंग नंबर्स हैं, अगर उस काउंटिंग नंबर्स के फैमिली में हम लोग 0 को मिला देते हैं तो वह फैमिली होल नंबर्स का बन जाता है. और इस तरह से 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are the whole numbers. Here the smallest whole number is 0 and the largest whole number is again does not exist. And the reason is same. Okay, that means there is no existence of largest whole number because every whole number has its own successor number. Here you look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on belongs to natural numbers. Then we can say all natural numbers are also whole numbers. And all whole numbers are also known as natural numbers except 0. 0 को छोड़कर जितने भी whole number हैं वो सभी natural number हैं. Then next term is integer. integers. All counting numbers 0 and negative of counting numbers are known as integers. All counting numbers 0 and negative of natural numbers are also called integers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 has no sign. The sign is hidden, positive sign. And these numbers are known as positive integers. And -1, -2, -3 are known as negative integers. 0. 0 is neither positive nor नेगेटिव. 0 ना तो पॉजिटिव नंबर है और ना ही नेगेटिव नंबर है. तो इंटीजर, आई होप इंटीजर इज क्लियर. ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स 0 and negative of counting numbers are known as integers. Then we have to learn here about the rational number. Rational numbers. The numbers in the form of p by q. The numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q does not equals to 0. The numbers in the form of p by q, p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Once again I repeat it. Make rational numbers. The numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. As per example, 4 by 7, minus 3 by 11, minus 3 by minus 11, 7 by minus 15, 0, 5, minus 6. All these are examples of rational numbers. यहाँ पर आप एक क्वेश्चन एराइज कर सकते हैं कि सर 5 तो p by q के फॉर्म में नहीं है, तो 5 को हम लोग रेशनल नंबर कैसे करेंगे? तो वी कैन राइट 5 as 5 by 1 and this one is in the form of p by q and here q is not equal to 0, and the result, when you divide 5 by 1, the result will be 5. So you can write 5 as 5 by 1 in the form of p by q. So 5 is a rational number. The next topic is positive rational number. Positive rational numbers. In positive rational numbers, both numerator and denominator are either positive or negative. पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर में दोनों ही न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर या तो पॉजिटिव होंगे या फिर नेगेटिव होंगे. एज पर एग्जांपल 4 by 5 minus 7 by minus 9. Here 4 and 5, numerator and denominator both are positive, so it is positive rational number. And minus 7 by minus 9. Here minus 7, numerator is negative. Minus 9, denominator is negative. And we can cut minus minus, and finally result will be get 7 by 9. So it is a positive rational number. Now negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. negative rational number. In negative rational numbers, either numerator or denominator be negative. या तो न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव होगा या फिर डिनोमिनेटर, जैसे कि 4/-5 और -4/5. I think rational number, positive rational number and negative rational number is clear here. Now next is equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. In equivalent rational numbers, when we compare two or more rational numbers, if we compare two or more rational numbers and they represent the same value, then they are known as equivalent rational numbers. As for example, 4/7 and -8/-14. Here we have two rational numbers. First is 4/7 and second is -8/14. When we compare, we have 4 into the numerator of first multiplied by denominator of second, -56. The numerator of second multiplied by denominator of first, -56. Here both the rational numbers represent the same value, so we can say 4/7 and -8/-14 are equivalent rational numbers. How we can find equivalent rational numbers? Equivalent rational numbers को हम लोग कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो for this, to find the equivalent rational numbers, multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator with the same number. इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर को निकालने के लिए हम लोग न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं. जैसे 20/30 इज अ रेशनल नंबर. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई द बोथ numerator and denominator by 2, then 40/60. So 40/60 is equivalent to 20/30. Again 20/30, both numerator and denominator are divided by same number 10. Then we get 2/3, and 2/3 is also equivalent to 20/30. तो इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स को फाइंड करने के लिए न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों सेम नंबर से या तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या फिर डिवाइड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर. Standard form of a rational number. In a standard form of a rational number, there is no common factor between numerator and denominator other than 1, and denominator never be negative. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के बीच में 1 के अलावा कोई और कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए, और डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होगा. एज पर एग्जाम्पल 36/-48. 36/-48, 36 and 48 both are divided by 2. So we can write it 18/-24. So 36/-48 is not in standard form. Again 18/24 both are divisible by 2. 9/2. So 18/24 is again not in standard form. -8/-12. Here 9 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So 3/-4. So -9/12 is not in standard form. Now 3/4. 3 and 4. There is no common factor between numerator and denominator other than 1. But here denominator is negative, so it is not in a standard form. And to make it a standard form, minus 3 by minus 4, both numerator and denominator are multiplied by minus 1, and then minus 3 by 4, and minus 3 by 4 is in a standard form. So in a standard form there is no common factor between numerator and denominator never be negative. The next topic is representation of rational numbers on the number line. The representation of rational number on the number line. Representation of rational number on the number line. हम लोग इसको टू केस के द्वारा समझने का प्रयास करते हैं. इन केस 1, न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. केस 1 में न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा है. तो जब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा होगा तो इसका वैल्यू जो होगा हमेशा लेस देन 1 होगा. और जब इसका वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होगा तो नंबर लाइन पर इस तरह के रेशनल नंबर्स 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई करेगा if the rational number is positive, and if the rational number is negative, then the number will lie between 0 and minus 1. As per example, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 here, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5, and numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, it will lie between 0 and 1. So since 3 by 4 is positive number, so we draw a line and we write numbers on this line. And we have no need to large many numbers. We need only 0 and 1. Since the value of 3 by 5 is less than 1 and greater than 0. And then we divide 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts as per denominator. यहाँ denominator 5 है, इसको 5 equal parts में divide करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each part represent 1 by 5. Then 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 is equals to 1. Here the number is 3 by 5, so it will be here. One more example, 2 by 7. Again here denominator is 7 and numerator is 2. So the number is less than 1 and it will lie between 0 and 1, and we will divide 0 and 1 into 7 equal parts, and each part will represent 1 by 7, 2 by 7 in this way. And 2 by 7 is here. So for the positive number, if the number is negative, suppose minus 3 by 4. Again 3 by 4 is less than 1, but this number is negative number, so it will lie 0 and minus 1. And this time 0 जो है वो राइट साइड में होगा और माइनस 1 लेफ्ट साइड में होगा, क्योंकि आप सब जानते हो कि एवरी पॉजिटिव नंबर जो होते हैं वो 0 के राइट साइड में होता है और नेगेटिव नंबर जो होता है वो 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में होता है. Here denominator is 4, so it will be divided into 4 parts and each part will be 1 by 4. Here the numerator is 3, so we will count 3 from the 0. 1, 2, 3 minus 3 by 4. यहाँ पर अक्सर हम लोगों से गलतियाँ क्या होती हैं कि हम लोग काउंटिंग करना शुरू करते हैं लेफ्ट टू राइट बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करने के समय में जीरो जिधर होगा, जीरो जिस साइड होगा उस साइड से काउंट करना हम शुरू करेंगे और इस तरह से नंबर लाइन को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।